Hey everybody, in this video we'll talk about expanding a logarithmic expression, problem type 3. For these we need to know the properties of logarithms. Please see previous videos in order to have a better explanation of what those are. But we have this log and we don't want any radicals or exponents, and we want each logarithm to only involve one variable. So let's go ahead and expand this by seeing first we have a fraction bar. So that's going to signify what? The quotient property, which means we take the log of the numerator, which is 6 times x plus 5 squared, and we subtract the log of the denominator. So that's the quotient property. Now I also see I have a product here, and then the cube root of x to the fourth can be rewritten as x to the fourth all to the 1/3 power. So when we have an exponent raised to an exponent, we multiply the exponents together and get x to the 4/3. So this is minus log of x to the 4/3. It's the same thing. But we have a product here within this log, so we can split those up. Log of 6 plus log of x plus 5 squared. Now it says we don't want any radicals or exponents. We got rid of our radical. Now we can get rid of our exponents by using the power rule. This 2 comes out in front to be 2 times the log of x plus 5. And then this 4/3 comes out front to be minus 4/3 times the log of x. And here we still have the log of 6. The log of 6, this is base 10, remember, is going to give you a decimal number that goes on forever. So to keep it in exact form, we just write log of 6. And this is completely expanded. Right? We can't do anything with this x plus 5 because it's within the same log, but it is not a product or a quotient.